Hi, good afternoon. This is Ferrella from Any House Cleaning, and I am on the vacation home. The situation in this house is everything looks wonderful, is clean, however. The tenant or the guest called the owner of the house saying that he has allergies. And he saw everything that is up, ceiling fans, vents, and the guest complained and saw that is fine dust on the vents, on top of lights in the bathroom. So the owner of the house called us yesterday to make an appointment for today as soon as possible and clean everything that is high. Things that the management company usually don't do. Okay? They clean the house, they wash the sheet, they make it pretty for next guest. And I don't blame management companies or single companies because they're paying just for regular maintenance. So, in order to do this is called deep cleaning. Once a year, the owner of the house needs to pay a little bit more just to do things that usually management company or regular cleaners don't do. Because that's a different package. So that's the situation. Today, we are not gonna clean or vacuum or clean the bathrooms, but everything that is high dusting. This is a double ceiling, that's how I call, and on top of the double ceiling is dust. If you can see the dust right there. Do you see it? Let's see here. So the guests are complaining about that. If the owner doesn't want to have a bad review because this house is on an RV website or something like that, they need to fix it right away. So I'm recording everything in order to clean it and then have proof that I clean all the surface. I have to shut off the ceiling fan, bring the ladder, and vacuum on top of the double ceiling. This is high dusting. Also, there is some grease on the doors, but we are gonna take care of that. Nothing about here, nothing about oven. Just maybe we can fix a little bit this degreaser. High dusting, that's the main concern, to avoid a bad review. So always guests, they complain if they want an extra night or have the package free. They have the power to put a bad review. So you see there is some cobwebs right here.